Hello friends, welcome back to the Jobs channel. My name is Shuraj Telong. So today we are going to start new tool. It's Terraform. So with this side by side, I want to take the web app project also for Azure, and side by side I'll teach Azure DevOps also. So today there was a demand, so that's why just I'm taking a Terraform. So let's go. We'll see about the Terraform practically. Okay. See, this is my PPT, Terraform infrastructure as a code. So it's we can say Mikhail Hashimoto developed Terraform in July 2014. HashiCorp was founded in 2012 by two classmates from the University of Washington, Mikhail Hashimoto and Arman Dadgar. Co-founder Hashimoto was previously working on open source software called Vagrant, which became incorporated into HashiCorp. So, just this is something a little bit about the Terraform who developed this, and this is about my channel DevOps Ridge by Shivraj Telang Patil. So, we'll see infrastructure as a code. IAC is managing and provisioning of infrastructure through code instead of through manual process. It is like infrastructure managing using the code whenever we are taking from the Terraform registry that codes, and as per our requirement we are editing that, and through that only creating the infrastructure here. Using ISA, it's easier to edit and distribute configurations also. Then Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code software tool created by HashiCorp, which already I have shared there. Terraform is a tool for provisioning infrastructure from low-level components such as virtual machine storage and networking to higher level components such as DNS entries. So Terraform installation. So how can we install the Terraform? If we are working on the local system for on Windows, then installation on Windows, download Terraform from HashiCorp website, and environment variable path needs to be given there. We'll download Terraform plugin, and that needs to be kept in C drive. So it is about the window. Then what about the installation on Linux? So today we are going to see about the from the local system how can we create infrastructure on Azure, and how can we like integrate Azure to Terraform on the local system. That also I'm going to show you here. So about installation on Linux, like wget is the download command. We can take the link or URL from the Terraform official site, and we can unzip that. I'll show you that in practical, how can we do all these things like downloading and unzipping Terraform on Linux. But today we are going to say about the window. Okay, and then we need this is the prerequisite for this, IDE. We need the IDE for Terraform code management, like download Visual Studio Code also, or any IDE. So but Visual Studio Code is currently it's a very famous and it's good to use, it's handy. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code here. Then now see, consider this is your laptop, so you need to these are the prerequisite for this Terraform install, VS Code install. Our required software needs to be installed. Suppose this is your laptop. Okay, then we need to authenticate our laptop to the cloud using Terraform registry docs. Okay, then now we can say if you are using Visual Studio Code, then with this Visual Studio Code also, how can you authenticate with this? Just you need to create a folder, and that directory you need to open using Visual Studio Code, then it can be done there. And we'll see practically how can we do this authentication also here. Then authenticate Azure Cloud. So how can we do this? We'll see practically. So now I have given here with the AWS and GCP also. So I'll show you this in future, but now just with how many clouds it can be work. That's why just I have shown here, I have tried to show in here multiple clouds, but I think more than 100 clouds it is working with the more than 100 clouds. So let's go on next screen. Create a folder in local system. Open VS Code through this, go to file and click. Yeah, this is the procedure which I have mentioned here, no issue. Then on Windows local to Azure with Terraform. So first of all, this is also procedure. First of all, open we need to open Azure and create Microsoft. We need to go into the Microsoft Intra ID, and we need to go to the app services, and through that app services we need to new we need I'll show you how can we new register from the app services. Then we can open like VS Code. We need to go to Terraform registry, then Azure, then go to the use provider into the Terraform registry, and we can copy that code and paste into the VS Code. So I think we'll see this all things practically. Okay, about the PPT, so we'll go and see practically all those things. Now first of all we'll see how to download the Terraform, right? So download Terraform. Download Terraform on Windows, right? We can we need to go to the official side, install Terraform, and you can come down. Okay, this is chocolatey on Windows. You can see manual installation is like this. If you are going with the manual installation, then follow this. And if you are like you can verify Terraform help, Terraform space happen help with this, and then see like this we can go. And now we can see homebrew on Mac OS. For this you can use this, and for chocolatey on Windows you can directly copy this and go to the CMD, and you can put this and enter. And as per this, whatever questions are asking, do yes and go ahead, it will be installed. Okay, so I have it already, that's why I'm not going to install it. Okay, then after that you need to install the Visual Studio Code. Download VISUALSTU. See like this, you can come here and go here, and you can download for window. If you are clicking here, it will be downloaded. Okay, this is this much of easy. Now we can see what is the next procedure. So after getting these two, we need to go to the Visual Studio Code, and we'll open Visual Studio Code, right? See, I have opened here Visual Studio Code. If you want to create a folder locally, then you can create a folder locally also. Then now see, I want to just create here one folder in C drive, and say just I'm going to create here either. Then I'm going to create here a new folder. It is Terraform, YouTube Terraform. I'll put here YOU YouTube Terraform. So I'm giving here name purposely to understanding purpose. Now we can come here on Visual Studio Code and you can go here and open folder, and where we have kept it can go in C drive here. Then you can put anywhere. That is not an issue. See, I have opened here. Then now we can like create files. First of all, you need to be having Terraform here, right? See, I have it. Hashtag of Terraform. If I have installed from here already, that's why it is showing. If you are putting here Terraform, then you need to install from here. Like already I have installed a C hashtag of Terraform Cloud. Okay, this one already it is installed, and if you are clicking here, then here is showing uninstall. It means it is already installed, right? Then this one hashtag of Terraform. See, this hashtag of Terraform also I have installed, and after that you need to come here, come back, and here you can put any name for your file. You can give any name. So I'm going to give main.tf. Tf is the extension. So without putting tf, it will not create a file in Terraform, right? So .tf, then paste. Now we need to go to the Terraform registry. Terraform registry. I'm putting here Azure, no issue. Then we can go here, Terraform registry, see registry.terraform.io. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to come into the user provider. Go here and just copy this. Okay, and paste here. This is the very simple code from the HCL Hashukov, right? So paste here. Now we need to remove this, and required things we need to put here. What are the required things? I had mentioned there already. So we need to go to the Azure, log into the Azure, and come here, and you can go into the Microsoft 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 Intra ID, that's called previously Active Directory, Azure Active Directory. So go here. After going, just you need to come here and click on app registration, and after clicking here new registration and give here any name. I'm giving here Terraform, right? Then I'm using this a single tenant, and now you can come here public client and need to, so I'm clicking on web. Okay, then I'm not taking here, this is taking automatically here. Then register it. See, after registering, you may be watching this. There is a application client ID, there is a directory tenant ID, right? Then client credentials, add a certificate or secret. So all this information we need to copy client ID, then we need to put their client ID. I have shown you here in my PPT. See, you can see Microsoft Intra ID app registration, provide that as like below. Provider. So that is the provider which I have shown you here. See, this is the provider Azure RM. Where from we have taken this? We have taken from the official site, Terraform registry official site. See, we have taken from the use provider, copied this and pasted there, right? So we need to put here something configuration options. So we'll put here. See, I have mentioned here already. First of all, a subscription ID, then client ID and tenant ID, right? Subscription ID. SUBSCR subscription ID, correct? Then CLIENT client ID. See, Copilot is going on, so there is no issue. If you are putting something, you will get it. Client ID. Why this is showing in a red color? Okay. Then what is there? Next, tenant ID, right? Tenant ID. So after that, there was where it has gone. Okay. Then feature and close. Features, right? Sorry, features, and for this also, this needs to be closed here. Okay, if it is not closing here, then even it is okay. This is for this and this is for this, right? So closing bracket are completed there. Now we need to go to the Azure and we need to create subscription. Okay, what happened? Okay, features, block, tenant ID, client ID, subscription ID. Okay, now we need to go to the Azure and we need to create the client ID. We have already created here. I would like to show you here. See, we have created client ID. Copy this and come here and paste. See, then client ID. We need a, oh, sorry, it is a client ID. Paste this. Then tenant ID also we need to copy from here. See, copy tenant ID, then paste here. Okay, then we need subscription ID, right? Correct. Then now I think we need I have the like notes already. I have created here some notes where it is. So I think we are forgetting one thing here. So we need one more thing. See, already I have mentioned here. All things I have mentioned here. Like we need subscription ID, client ID, and tenant. And one more thing we need, that client secret. So I have not mentioned here. So we need client secret also. So let's go and put here client secret also. Client secret, right? Now where from we can create this? Just come here and you can go here in certificates and secrets. Nothing, you can click here also. So we can go here and now we'll create new client secret. So we can give here secret. Okay, any name we can give here and add here. See, this will show you only once. If you are coming back, then if you are going to the another page and coming back and again you are coming here, then it will not show. It will show only star star star. Copy this and paste here. Oh, I think I have not copied properly. Yes, now we'll paste here. So now we need the subscription ID. So we can come here, come back, nothing. You can come here and go to the subscription where it is. If you are putting here subscription, then even you will get it. See, there is a subscription. We need subscription ID, right? This is the subscription ID which you can take and paste there. If you are going inside, then even directly you will get it and directly you can copy from there. See, billing also we can say, we can check here in subscription. See, this is my subscription ID. You can copy from here also. That is not an issue, and you can paste here. See, we have completed authentication. Like now we have completed here authentication. We can create a resource group. Okay, how to create the resource group? What is the message? Your billing account has a past due balance. How much? 10 rupees. Okay, guys, you can see the billing also here. I'm using like pay as you go. That's why it is showing, and I have to pay this, and I'll pay it. Immediately, if like me, if you are also doing practice and immediately after practice deleting all resources, then you will not get that much of bill, right? See, I'm using pay as you go, then even I'm not getting that much of bill because already like a 2 to 3 I have finished that free of cost, whatever was there, whatever like Azure was providing $200, that I have finished like a 2 to 3 accounts. After that I had not any option, hence I have selected this. But if you have free, then don't use this pay as you go, you can use free. Then where, okay, now we are going to create the, see, this was the authentication for Terraform with Azure. So it can be like a integrated with the Azure now. So we'll go and take the new code for, come here in the documentation, and you can authenticating to Azure, right? You can go and authenticating to Azure using the CLI also, right? But now we are putting this, like we recommend use either a service principal or managed service identity. Like that, all information are provided here. Then we can go and create a resource group, right? We can copy this, and as it is, you can paste here. And now whatever you want to make change, if you want to make change here like a central India, then you can put location also. Then if you want to like give name, then you can give here name. Like if suppose I'm giving here name Terraform, Terraform RG, then here also I'm giving Terraform RG. See, like that you can give any name, and you can click on the auto save button. Whatever you are writing here, it will be saved automatically, right? So now you can open here terminal, here only new terminal. And now you can, first of all, after opening this terminal, first of all you can put the Terraform in it. There are only 5 to 6 commands in regular basis, you can use that in Terraform. Okay, Terraform, just I would like to show you here. See, these are the commands: Terraform init, fmt, plan, validate, apply, destroy. These are the very important: init, plan, validate, apply, and destroy. So there are 5 to 6 commands, so very important. See, now we can put Terraform init. If you are, if we are putting the Terraform in it, then it will be initialized. See, it is initializing the finding the Azure RM versions, matching this, right? Then matching with this version, right? See, then installing HashiCorp Azure RM, then installing providers plugins also in this. till initializing this will wait. See, it is initialized. Now you can see Terraform has installed HashiCorp, Azure HashiCorp, Azure RM. We This is the same version which is installed. Then Terraform has created a log file .terraform. You can see here log file is created here. Then try running Terraform plan to see any changes that are required for your infrastructure. All Terraform commands should now work. So see, it is like a .terraform folder is created and log HCL folder is also created. Now we can use Terraform FMT. Why? If you are not using, then even it's okay. But if you have like a identification, we can see, right, we can say that can be done like it can be matched here properly. That's why if you are putting, then see, this was here, this came properly in the line, right? So that's why, yeah, there was a gap somewhere, that's why it is showing. So identification is completed from here using Terraform FMT. Now we can use Terraform plan. If you are using validate, Terraform validate, then it will be validating if it is correct or not, or like a configuration is validated or not. So this configuration is validated. This is success, right? Then you can use Terraform plan. In Terraform plan, it will show like how many resources and what resources are going to be created. If we are getting the errors, then we need to go and go and resolve it, right? So I'm not like editing this also, because of you will also learn how to, if we are getting the errors, then how to resolve it or do the troubleshoot for this, right? Terraform encounter an error while generating the plan. See error ensuring resource providers are registered. Ensuring resource providers are registered. See, Terraform automatically attempts to register the resource provider. It supports to ensure it's able to provision resource. If you don't have permission to register resource providers, oh sorry guys, I have not like given the permission, so it is like that's why it is showing the error. So as per this only, if you are also getting error, then keep in mind we need to go and create the IAM using Azure, right? So we need to give the permission for our app objects. So how can we give the permission? Come here and go to subscription and click here. Then here is the access control IAM. Click on IAM. After creating, after clicking here, just go here and add role assignment. We need to add role for the contributor. So go here and add it. See, click on privilege and you will get here contributor. Then click on next. Then click see user group or service principal. Keep as it is. And now select members. So whatever we have created there in app service, that will get here, for to that object we are giving permission through the IAM. So we need to put here Terraform. We had put the Terraform, right? So we got it, right? Now we can select this. It is selected, and now next, and then review and assign. See, now it is going to be created. It mean what we are doing here, we are giving permission to our app object using IAM from the subscription, right? So now we can come here and I think it's done or not. Yeah, it's added role, right? Then now we can come here and again use Terraform plan. If we are getting error, then it will be in the, okay, we will check. If we are getting any error, we can again go and resolve it. I think we will get again error because of authorization field. The client, okay, with object ID does not have authorization to perform action. Microsoft resource, okay, read over scope, or the scope is invalid. Okay, if access was recently granted, please refresh your credentials. Okay, currently we have given the access, so we'll check and see what can be happened, right? Then if again we are getting the error, then again we'll do the troubleshooting in front of you only. I don't want to edit this and cut this. I want to just keep like this because of you can also learn how to do the troubleshooting. So we are waiting for the Terraform plan. See, we have only one like resource. We are going to create here resource. These are the authentication, this and above, and this is only one resource we are going to be created using Terraform. What happened? So I think it is like creating the plan. So that's why it may be taking time. So we'll wait for some time. See guys, again we are getting the error here. See, error issue resource providers are registered. Terraform encounter as an error while generating this plan. So while generating this plan, it's getting here. Terraform automatically attempts to register the resource providers. It's supposed to ensure it's able to provision resources. If you don't have permission to register resource providers, you may wish to use the skip provider registration flag in the provider block to disable this functionality. Please note that if you opt out of resource provider registration and Terraform tries to provision a resource from a resource provider which is unregistered, then the errors may appear misleading. For example, API version 2019 was not found for Microsoft 4. Okay, could indicate either that the resource provider Microsoft.4 requires registration, but this could also indicate that this Azure region doesn't support this API version. Okay, this region is unable to support for this. Okay, we'll change the region and we'll try again. Okay, we'll change here region. Okay, now we'll check. And what is the again error? Okay, we have changed this. See, it was saying that region, about the region, right? Then more information on skip providers. We don't want to skip this provider, right? Then original error, cannot register providers Microsoft dot register. Okay, I think it was not registered proper. Registration was not happened. So go to the subscription. We'll check. Uh, okay, access. Then we'll check the role assignment. See, it is not completed. Okay, now it's completed. It's a contributor role. It's one privilege. It's completed now. So that's why there may be problem. Again, we'll see it. It's while working this, while putting this command, we need to pay attention here. What are the changes automatically it's going to be done, right? This dot terraform dot terraform dot log scl, then terraform dot tf state dot log in info, again terraform dot tf state. these files are created while working here. So we need to pay attention there simultaneously. See guys, this plan is work here. Terraform will perform the following action, right? So after changing the location, it was not like taking in West Europe location, and again I think yeah, it was not registered there IAM, that's why it was not working. So that was the problem. So you didn't use out option to save this plan, right? So I have not used the out option, so we can use the out option to save this plan, like Terraform plan out, and we can put here main.tf like this. If you want to save like this, we can use the command, right? Then now I'm going to use Terraform apply. See here, it's going to created central India location. See now it is asking permission. Do you want to perform these actions? If you are putting yes, then it will perform and it will create the resource group. See it is creating. See it is creating and it's created. Now we can go into the central India and we can see any resource group is available here. So we can go and check the resource group, whatever we have given the name. We can go and check here, refresh it. See, we had given the name to our resource group Terraform registry, right? So, sorry, Terraform resource group. So it is created here successfully. So like this, we can go and create. If you want to create storage, then you can find storage also from here. See, if you want to create storage, you can create from here storage, right? If you want to create this uh, Azure data set blob storage, you can create. You can click here and you can copy from here and you can create it, right? Whatever, if you want to create compute services. Okay, if you want to create a virtual machine, then you can come here and you can like copy this virtual machine and you can copy this and create the virtual machine for this, right? Then with this virtual machine you can copy this subnet and networking and all those things and you can work like this. Till this time, now we have seen like apply complete resource one added, zero change, zero destroyed, right? Till this time we have seen this and we have seen here. Now it is created this resource group also, right? So now there is a like a very important command that needs to be used very carefully. If you are using that, then all will be destroyed, all will be deleted automatically, right? So if you are putting this command, we'll go and see which like see, come here and now we can delete this. See, this needs to be deleted. If we are using Terraform destroy, if you are putting enter on this, then it will ask like for the confirmation and it will be like a destroy, everything destroyed. See after, see, we'll go into the resource group, see, and we'll just refresh again. See, it is asking the permission, zero to add, zero to change, and one to destroy. Yes, I want to destroy. See, now go and click here, refresh it. In front of you, you will see that it will be deleted from here after putting the one command only. Yeah, it's very easy for the if you are like you will ask me then how then if we are doing the manually, if you are deleting this manually, it's very easy why we need to put their command, right? But if there are like a thousands of like resources or hundreds of resources, and if you want to delete manually, it will take time, right? But if you are putting only one command, then it is destroyed, right? If you are using the only terraform destroy, then it will be destroyed, and while destroying it will provide the information also here. Now if you are refreshing it, then you will not see here, right? We need to delete everything from here, guys, because yeah, I'll delete from here now. You need to also delete because you will save your billing. So thank you so much. Today I had this much only. So in next video, side by side, I'm going to teach like Azure services and Azure DevOps also, and side by side taking this Terraform as per the some people requirement which they had asked me. So if you have any requirement, then you can ask me, no issue. Side by side, if it is possible, I'll try to provide here videos on that also. So this was from the like this playlist Azure with Azure DevOps 30-day challenge. From this only, that's why I'm taking this. From this only you can ask me till this completing a series, because of I'm unable to complete within 30 days due to my office work and all those things. So let's go, and we'll stop here today. We'll delete all things, we'll stop here. And if till this time if you don't have subscribed my channel, guys, then please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.